In this video, I'll show you how to create impact shakes in Premiere Pro. Begin by adding a video to a timeline, then open Effects window, search for Camera Shake, and add it to the video layer. Now in Effect Controls, under Camera Shake, set Camera Mode to Earthquake, then set Strafe to 50% and Stride to 50%. Then Roll 0, Variation 0, Stabilize 0, Speed 200. Let's uncheck auto scale for now and set master to 0. Now move the playhead to the frame where you want the impact shake to begin. I've already added markers to my video. So here, right as she puts her foot down, then create a keyframe for master by clicking on a stopwatch icon. Then move 3 frames forward using the arrow key, 1, 2, 3, set master to 100. Then go 5 frames forward, shift and right arrow key once, and set master back to 0. And this will add the impact shake, but it will also add black bars around the video because now it's moving around. To hide that, we can enable auto scale by checking this icon. This will make it zoom into the video whenever the shake is happening. But if for some reason you don't like the zoom in effect, you can keep it disabled, scroll all the way up and increase the scale of the video instead to something like 120. That'll make the video zoomed in, but it will also hide any black bars that appear. Now, in order to apply this effect to multiple frames, let's find these 3 keyframes that we created, drag and select all of them, Ctrl C, then move the playhead to the next frame that you want to add the impact shake to, select the effect controls, Ctrl V to paste them, then go to the next frame and repeat that for every frame that you have. And now we have multiple impact shakes in our video.